Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Meta Ads AI to automate creative testing, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Meta Ads AI for automating creative testing, begin by logging into your Meta Ads account. Navigate to the Ads Manager dashboard. Once you're there, click on the campaign you wish to enhance with AI automation. Look for the Ad Sets section within your selected campaign. Click on Create to start a new ad set or edit an existing one. Scroll down to the Add Creativity section. Here, select Dynamic Formats and Creative. In the Dynamic Creative settings, enable Upload multiple versions of your visuals and copy. Be sure to diversify your creatives by using different images, headlines, and calls to action. Set up clear goals for your ad campaign, as these will guide the AI in its optimization. Next, specify your target audience within the ad set configuration. Adjust your budget and schedule, ensuring both align with your overall marketing strategy. After finalizing your settings, click on Publish to activate your ad set. Monitor the performance of your creatives through the Ads Manager. Analyze the insights provided by Meta Ads AI to understand which creatives are performing best. Make data-driven adjustments to your campaign as needed based on these insights. Finally, regularly review your campaign to continue optimizing based on performance metrics. This completes the process of activating Meta Ads AI for automating creative testing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.